1. Wrong online order.
Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I have a problem with my order. What happened? I ordered a blue shirt, but I got a red skirt. Oh no. Can you give me your order number? Yes. It's 5789. Perfect. Let me see. I see the problem. What can I do? We can send you the right shirt. Great. When will it arrive? In 2 days. Perfect. What about the red skirt? You can keep it. It's a gift for the trouble. How nice. Don't worry. We're also giving you a discount. Really? Yes. 10% off your next order. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Anything else? No. Everything's perfect. I'm glad. Have a good day. You too. Bye. Bye.
2. Cooking paella together.
Hi. Hi. Should we start the paella? Sure. First, we need the ingredients. What do we need? Rice, chicken, shrimp. Also tomato and pepper. What about saffron? Yes. That's really important. Perfect. How do we start? First, we heat the oil. How much oil? 3 tablespoons. Okay. Now what? We add the chicken. 5 minutes each side. It smells amazing. Yeah? Now we add the tomato. All the tomato. Yes. And the pepper too. How long do we cook this? 2 minutes. Great. Then the rice. Exactly. And the broth with saffron. How much broth? Twice as much as rice. Got it. This is turning out great. Yeah? 15 more minutes and it's ready. Thanks so much for teaching me. You're welcome. Enjoy it.
3. Tutoring session.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you today? A little nervous? Don't worry. We'll take it slow. Okay. What topic is hardest for you? Equations. I don't get them. It's okay. That's normal at first. Really? Yes. Let's start with an easy one. Perfect. X plus 5 equals 10. What is x? I don't know. Think about it. What number plus 5 equals 10? Let's see. 5. Exactly. Nice job. Really? Yes. You understood it perfectly. That's great. Want to try another one? Sure. I feel more confident now. Great. You're really smart. You just need practice. Thank you so much. You're a really good teacher. Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
4. Naming a kitten.
Look how cute he is. Yeah. He's beautiful. What should we call him? Good question. Got any ideas? How about Milo? Milo. That's nice. Or do you prefer something more Spanish? Like what? Paco. Or Diego? Diego. I like that. Yeah? It sounds strong. Like him. That's true. Look how he plays. So cute. Diego. Do you like your name? Looks like he does. See how he's looking at us? So smart. He already knows his name. Cats are really clever. Diego is perfect. I agree. Do we need anything else for him? Yes. Food and a bed. Should we go to the store? Sure. Diego needs his stuff. This is so exciting. Our first kitten. Yeah. It's going to be really fun.
5. Barking dog complaint.
Excuse me. Hi. How can I help you? I have a problem. What's wrong? Your dog barks all night. Oh no. I didn't know. I can't sleep. It's 3 in the morning. I'm so sorry. Really? Why does he bark so much? He's nervous. He's new to the house. I see. How long have you had him? 3 days. Oh. That explains it. Yeah. He needs time to adjust. How much time? About a week. A whole week? At most. I'm going to do something. What can you do? Put him in my room. It's far from your wall. That's great. I really appreciate it. Don't worry about it. We're neighbors. Thank you so much. No problem. Hope you can get some rest. Good night. You too. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
6. After bad food.
Excuse me. Good morning. How can I help you? I ate here last night. Yes. And I feel terrible. I think the food was bad. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I have a stomachache. And nausea? What did you order? The fish with rice. What time did you have dinner? At 9. I see. When did you start feeling sick? This morning. At 6. How awful. We apologize. What are you going to do? Don't worry. We'll refund your money. All of it? Yes. That's 35 euros. Great. Thank you. Did you see a doctor? No. But I'm going to. Good. Feel better. Thank you so much. You're welcome. We're really sorry. See you later. See you later.
7. Vacation photos.
Hi. Hi. How are you? Good. I saw your photos from Thailand. Great. Did you like them? Yes. They're amazing. Thanks. It was a fantastic trip. The beaches are gorgeous. Yeah. The water is so blue. You're so lucky. I work all summer. Don't you get vacation? Just 1 week. In August. That sucks. How long were you there? 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I'm so jealous. Sorry. Where are you going in August? I don't know. Maybe to the beach. Here in Spain. Nice. Spain has beautiful beaches. Yeah. But it's not Thailand. True. But you'll relax. True. Thanks. No problem. See you later. See you later.
8. Rainy picnic.
Look. It's starting to rain. Oh no. And we had everything ready. Yeah. The sandwiches are ready. And the omelette? And the drinks. What do we do? I don't know. It's raining harder and harder. We can go under the trees. Under the trees? Yeah. It doesn't rain as much there. Good idea. Let's go. Run. It's pouring. We're here now. Should we put down the blanket? Sure. But it's damp. Doesn't matter. We're hungry. True. Want a sandwich? Yeah. What kind are they? Ham and cheese. Perfect. What about drinks? Water. Or orange juice? Juice. Thanks. That's weird. It stopped raining. You're right. Lucky us.
9. First day working.
Good morning. Good morning. You're the new employee. Yes. My name is Carmen. Nice to meet you, Carmen. I'm David. I'm your supervisor. Nice to meet you. It's my first day. Great. Welcome to the team. Thank you so much. I'm a little nervous. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Good. Where will I be working? Right here. This is your desk. It's nice. What about the computer? It's all set up. With your username and password. Great. What time do we start? At 9. And finish? At 6. Perfect. Is there a lunch break? Yes. From 2 to 3. Perfect. Is there a cafeteria? Yes. On the ground floor. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a great day.
10. Back to school.
Hi. Hi. How are you? Good. How was your summer? Really good. But it went by fast. Yeah. It's already September. Are you happy to be back? Yeah. I like studying. Really? Yeah. And seeing my friends. Right. Me too. Do you have your new classes? Yeah. History, math, English. Cool. I have biology as a new class. Do you like biology? A lot. What about you and math? No. It's really hard. Do you have your books? Some of them. I'm missing 2. Which ones? The history one. And the English one? You can buy them today. Yeah. After class. Perfect. See you later. See you later.